I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Last week I made a recipe that was really delicious and pretty easy. However, it had a whole bunch of steps. So today I'm going to be giving you a super simple, super easy 3-ingredient recipe. Today we're going to make some absolutely delicious strawberry butter. The first time I ever tasted strawberry butter was at a very popular restaurant called Patty's Settlement. It's down near the Land Between the Lakes here in the state of Kentucky. Patty's brings you a little terracotta flower pot filled with home-baked bread that is to die for. To spread on that bread, you're going to get some strawberry butter. Y'all, this is a super easy 3-ingredient recipe, and I guarantee you're gonna love it. Let's get started. I'll be making this strawberry butter today in my food processor. We're gonna start out with 2 sticks of softened butter. I've washed up about 10 nice-sized ripe strawberries. Now, let's get these cleaned up. I'll be cutting the caps off and then just cutting the strawberry in half like that. Then I'll toss it into the food processor with our butter. Our final ingredient is 3/4 cup powdered sugar. I don't want to make a horrible mess, so I'm going to try to get that into my food processor kind of evenly. Lid goes on, and I'm going to start out kind of slowly mixing this up. After I feel like this is starting to mix, I'm going to kick it up a notch. Now I'm going to pop this lid off and make sure that everything that's kind of gathered onto the sides is down into the butter. Lid back on, and we're going to hit it kind of hard again. Let's check it again. I don't see any large chunks of strawberry or butter, so I think I'm ready to get this into a sterilized jar. I've got a pretty little rounded jelly jar here with a nice wide lid. Let's use that. I was able to make enough to fill this jar, and I've probably got enough left to do about half of another one. I said this was delicious. I didn't say it wasn't messy. While we're waiting on those Parker House rolls to come out of the oven, now would be the perfect time to go tap the like button for me. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can pop a lid on this and store it in your fridge. So, like with regular butter, I think this tastes better on your bread if you let it sit out for a little bit. You don't want to put cold, hard butter on your bread. My rolls are out of the oven. Let's let these cool just a minute. Y'all, this smells so good. I can't wait to give it a try. It's sweet, it's buttery, it's fresh strawberry. Guys, you can put this on a biscuit, on a roll, on any kind of home-baked bread. Delicious. This strawberry butter is going to be delightful served at your brunch or your summertime dinner party. I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. I'll see you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.